check you down. I said, yeah, one more than you.
What do you say? No, but I said, I found him on one and say,
and gold, you also about saying to my next one.
what do you say?
My PhD. I was only be young. She can't run down.
No, but I know that. Also, the tree now.
Okay, me that's the way. And say, Bill Castle and now. That's my first time. Okay, kind of to you have to be there because they say, and say, movie industry, they are trying their best to fight against that. Say the cheap of that. And so saying there, but they have best support. So, that is the problem.
And then I'm aware of what you know. Why do you have only two people?
Okay, we know we are doing because I have some two people. That's said, then now, from my way, say, two crew. That's said, foreign young one. No, they are because they need to appreciate it. It's me, no, we are doing anything and everyone. It's a control of them. It's about the by the ultimate betrayal. So the betrayal is sanity. Why the betrayal? Now, why? I'm so soon now. So,
yeah, I'm not even a man. It's a betrayal.
I never know, but man, should be a woman.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Because when you are bad, yeah, that machine is too kind. Go back on to my go down.
Okay.
It's in your memory.
It's not when you have to, I guess, ultimate betrayal.
And you went in and
I'm going to movie and that's a movie. Change over. When you but when you change over, I still can't catch him.
okay. May I see the brave before they know they be kind of bar. I will tell the friends that I am there for it will be changing over.
I don't know.
And I'm dropping for they say my family actually.
Okay.
And they say Mary